Hello. Today I'll show you how you can easily fix Galaxy Buds 2 low volume in one ear problem, and increase sound volume back to new earbud level. The main problem why all in-ear and earbuds headphones get low volume over time is earwax, quite simply. Each of us produces earwax in different amounts, but it tends to get absorbed by the headphones. Ear protection grills and the filters below grills, so the sound is blocked and you get a very low music volume. Trust me. I show you how you in the simple way can increase the sound volume back to the new earbud level. To do this headphones cleaning procedure, you need to find a hydrogen peroxide 3% concentration solution. It dissolves earwax perfectly. Then you'll still need a toothbrush, but not your own. Then the universal cleaning pen for headphones will come in handy. Link to it is in the video description. But if you don't have one, don't worry, you can use your grandmother's toothbrush. But don't forget to put it back later. And you'll also need unused cotton buds. The first task is to remove both earbud rubber tips. Then moisten the cotton bud richly with hydrogen peroxide, and with this moist cotton bud clean the metal mesh of the earbuds. This way you moisten the earwax and it starts to become loose. Once the metal mesh is wet, use the cleaning pen or a soft toothbrush to clean the mesh. The idea is to use the toothbrush small hairs to get into every little hole in the metal mesh. Then with a new, moistened cotton bud, clean both earbud rubber tips. Then clean and dry the tips with a dry cotton bud. Then moisten the cotton bud again richly with hydrogen peroxide and again clean the metal mesh carefully. After a while, scrub them again with a soft toothbrush. You can put on the rubber tips and check if the headphones sound louder. As you can see, they have become much louder. That's all. I hope this video saved you from buying new Galaxy Buds 2, and now you've saved a bunch of money. I'd be happy if you could drop some of the dollar you saved via the super thanks button for me, so I can buy my grandma a new toothbrush now. As usual, if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below this video. Good luck, my friend.